Hello, Jaga. My name is Ra. I'm based in New Zealand. I've worked most of my life in hydronics industry in the USA. I'm interested in being your distributor in New Zealand. I wanted to show you some software that I was involved in helping to develop over the last 15 years with the Takeo Pump Company in Rhode Island. It's a smart parametric heat loss and hydronic design software. I just wanted to show you a quick project. Call this a test project. Let's say the location is Belgium. Next, so this is where we set the weather data, so I can pick your country. And we'll pick a city. So here's all the related information related to this specific location. Some general settings related to the project. And this is the worksheet. So I can draw the walls of a space. Well, first let's set it to metrics. So I double click on the project sheet, units of measure, metrics. I take the wall tool and just create a space. And it will do a heat loss for this space in Belgium. I can divide it up into 2 or 3 rooms. I can add windows, doors. You can see the heat loss is corresponding in real time. I can change the R values of the windows, different types of windows, or manually enter anything in white. I can manually enter, so I can change the R values or the dimensions. Put a window here. These are just the default windows, and a door. And let's put a boiler in this space. I go to the boiler selections. Let's pick a Beastman Vito Dan to 100. We'll drop it right here, and we'll select some imposed load, some radiators for each room. And we take the connection tool, and there's the supply. So let's just flip these the other way and make it a little easier. Take the supply. And we're going to connect this radiator to this one. And we'll run this back to the boiler. We'll take another connection from, flip this one the other way, the other direction. Take the connection tool again. Supply. We'll put these on another circuit or another zone. And bring it back to the return. I can add pumps, expansion tanks. Let's just move this out of the way. So I could go to, I can put a pump in here. I just touch it to the line, it snaps on. We'll put a air separator and expansion tank. I can hit Control A, right click, and show all the dimensions of the piping. I can right click and show the flow, temperature, length, head loss. So you can see that's just a very quick example of how you can create space or spaces and quickly do the engineering sizing for a simple hydronic system. You can create templates of systems. Here's some templates I've created over the years. Here's an example of a space. This is the mechanical room, and you can do detailed drawings of the mechanical room. So if I wanted to add ball valves, for example, to this boiler. I can hit hydronics, ball valve, and I just drag it and just drop it right onto the pipe right here. And you'll see it just snapped right onto the pipe. So I can put quite a bit of detail on the mechanical room. And these returns, these three returns right here, and these pumps or these supplies are right here. And also in the background, the software is creating these reports. Report options, you can create detailed engineering reports, electrical schedules, equipment schedules, bill of materials. And let me just show you those quickly. Push OK. Save the file to create the reports. And you go back to File. And here's our equipment schedules, Excel spreadsheet. Opening up here on the other screen. So there's our project, our air separator, boiler, expansion tanks, and pose loads. You can put your products and model names right there. Here's a detailed engineering report, all the inputs and outputs. This is a Word document. So there's all the information of the air separator, the boiler, the imposed load, the radiators, and finally the last report is bill of materials. So there's a bill of materials for that small project. Thank you very much.